Look at her. Look at the mama, man. Look at her. That ain't my girl. That's my nigga. Catch me out on Ocean Drive with her.
Something that makes me look at you too often. Oh, baby, you can give it something. Baby, I can run all the time.
That ain't my girl. That's my nigga. Catch me out on Ocean Drive with her.
Give me a sign. This can't be life. If there's a point to losing love, repeating pain, it's all the same. I hate this place, stuck in this paradigm. Don't believe in paradise. This must be when hell is like this. Got to be more sick of this head of mine. Intrusive thoughts that paralyze. No fun is not. It's sabotage. This got to be more. Been here before. Life's better on Saturn. Got to break this pattern. Floating away. Find something worth saving. It's all for the taking. I always say I'll be better on Saturn. None of this matters. Dreaming of Saturn. I'll be better on Saturn. None of this matters. Dreaming of Saturn. If karma's really real, how am I still here? Just seems so unfair. I could be wrong though. If there's a point to being good, then where's my reward? The good die young and poor. I gave it all I could. Stuck in this terror dome. All I see is terrible, making us hysterical. It's got to be more sick of this head of mine. Intrusive thoughts that paralyze. No fun is not. It's sabotage. It's got to be more than here before. Life's better on Saturn. Got to break this pattern. Floating away. Find something worth saving. It's all for the taking. I always say I'll be better on Saturn. None of this matters. Dreaming of Saturn. I'll be better on Saturn. None of this matters. Dreaming of Saturn.
It's over, bro.
Kind of spattered in the microwave the barbecue sauce. But sorry for the presentation, but this is how it looks. I'm gonna eat. I cannot wait. I'm starving. Veggie burger. I drink my Gatorade and I'm gonna try to finish. I'm gonna try to finish this water and also my vitamin D and my magnesium. I put it on top of there because I didn't want to forget and I didn't have a place to put it. And then I'm gonna start saving these clips on my laptop.
A piece of mind, baby. Come and get a piece of mind. Say you gotta work from 3 to 9. Oh, I get you home by a decent time. Wait, your bed, you can sleep in mine. Yeah, let's make it happen, girl. I need some time. Speaking of time, who stopped it? That's the feeling that I get when we lock lips. I got the weed at the crib and the liquor too. I f your soul, I release in your spiritual. I be your muse, bring your easel and pencils too. Here you go, you try and tease with them.
With you, I know that I need my friends, but I wouldn't wanna leave. You know I wouldn't wanna bleed. Even my heart, my mind, and my body.